Hello gamers of YouTube. Just arrived today. This is the Virpil button panel around in this cardboard box, and inside it was a smaller cardboard box. Inside here I think we got the goods. Okay, so what's in here? Some cable, USB, also cable, another, okay, this is a dual 5-pin connector, and also this one. I guess you can probably set this up with other Virpil units, so as to run them both through one. And this is the shit. So let's unbox it. A bit hard with one hand on my phone, but that's okay. I'll get it out without breaking it. Imagine you could break this. It's big. Oh, it's big. It's enormous. So this is it. Serial number 11. That's okay. That's cool. And here you have it. Push buttons, two-way buttons. The quality seems well, it's heavy. It sure is heavy. The quality seems okay. Buttons are solid, machined quite well. Aluminum. Looks nice. Can't wait to use it. It'll be a nice asset to this rig under construction, the helicopter collective. A VKB stick, Gunfighter Mark III with the KG12. I'll try this panel for a short amount of time. I like it quite much. And the Logitech Cytec rudder pedals, which I have returned to after tried several others, but this one works for me. Track IR, yeah, starts automatically. That's nice. So, more on this when I've tried it, installed it. Thank you. See you later.